explain about sound test number 1. As you could probably heard in the video, the music wasn't exactly perfect. To me, it sounded a little shallow, a little higher pitched than I'd like it to be. So what I did was, see, I have rigid insulation inside the box here, and the lid, and on the floor, and everything, but there's so many components in here that the sound is kind of bouncing around a little bit and not letting the speakers really work as well as they would like to. So what I did was, I took some of the soft insulation, the fiberglass insulation I use in my other builds, and I kind of tucked it in the space around the speakers here, between the insulation and the speaker itself, and I also put some behind the front speakers here to try to absorb some of that sound that's kind of echoing around the box. And I'm really happy with the way it sounds. It sounds more rich, a little bit deeper in bass, but it just sounds more natural than it did before. Before, to me, it sounded like it was a little high pitched. And of course, there's Elizabeth, Duke's cousin. Hi, Elizabeth. She's going to come out here for sound check number 2. So I'm going to do something different here. I'm going to play part of one song so you can kind of hear how it sounds there, and then I'm going to switch over to another song. I'm going to change songs, and you'll see the edit in the video there, so you can kind of get an idea how it sounds with different types of music. And we'll go from there. So let me know what you think in the comments below. And of course, always look for me at DIY Boomboxes in Texas on Facebook. Follow me on Instagram, DIY_boom_boxes. You can see all my builds. And thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. After this one, I've got 5 builds planned right now, actually 6. I entered a contest for a boombox build. So I've got 2 Harley-Davidson boxes I'm doing for the ladies. And I'm not going to say much more about it, but I might be having a Star Wars themed boombox coming up, so stay tuned for that. So let me get over here and get this music going. And thank you guys for watching. Here we go. Alright everybody, thanks for watching DIY Boomboxes in Texas. Please leave me a comment below and let me know what you think about this mega boombox that I built. Now, if you guys decide you want to build one of your own, you're probably thinking, oh man Phil, that's too expensive. I can't build nothing like that. Yes you can. I'm on an extremely tight budget because of some medical conditions and things I've been having to deal with. So what I did was I just buy it in pieces, you know. One paycheck I buy the speakers, next paycheck I buy the radio, next paycheck I buy the box. And it took me 6 months to save up for it, plenty of time to plan. And just go for it. Now I will say this, you've seen the inside of this boombox in some of the other videos. It is not a beginner project. But if you've done quite a few builds, at least 10, I would say, if you think you want to tackle something like this, go ahead and give it a try. I mean, this toolbox here is a great foundation for any type of setup you want to do. I saw a guy that did one with a satellite dish setup and a big old amplifier on the back. So the sky's the limit, whatever your imagination is. So get out there and build something. Or if you'd like me to build you something, I'd be happy to do that too. Just contact me on Facebook, and you can find me at I Love All Things Radio. And I'm working on a Facebook business page as well. That's coming up soon. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much for everything, supporting me. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you already have, thank you very much. And like I said, I got some great builds coming up. I got 5 or 6 planned right now. So make sure you hit that subscribe button right there, so you'll be one of the first ones to see all the exciting things happening in DIY boomboxes in Texas. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you later.